Hey guys, I want to show you the unboxing of my Bambu P1S 3D printer. It's a process, but stick around because I'm going to unwrap it all in this short 2-minute video. Let's go. First of all, the box came very well cushioned. I'm pleased with the care that Bamboo Labs took to make sure that the printer got to me in one piece. Now, you guys, it is a process to set up this printer. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you is to read the instructions. You're going to need this key. And there are going to be a lot of screws that you're going to have to take out. They are all marked with the arrows. Start with the front so that you can pull out the AMS unit, and then you can pull out the screws that hold that plate that was holding the AMS unit inside the printer. That's the way that they will ship it to you. Once you get that plate out, then you have more screws to undo, and those will free up the tray so that it can go up and down, and then you can finally get those foam pieces out from the bottom. Get all of your tapes out of the way, read the instructions some more. There are two cables that come with the printer. Make sure that you connect those the proper way as it says in the instructions to the back of the unit as so, and then make sure that you connect the AMS cable to the side of that gray box. Put your lid on, put your AMS unit on top of the printer, and then you can connect your cables. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and connect your tubes for your filament. Make sure that you hear a click when you connect that LCD screen to the printer. And then you can go ahead and plug in your printer and turn it on. As the tray goes up, you'll be able to get the foam pieces out of the way, and then you'll wait just a few moments for the printer to complete the first self-test. Once that self-test is completed, you'll be ready to print. Now, when you load your filament, make sure that you pull the desiccant packs out of the AMS, because I totally forgot to do that. We're going to use the PLA that came with the printer that loads in nice and easy. And our first print is going to be, of course, a Benchy. This printer was very easy to set up. I'm really happy with it so far. Thanks for watching, and hit the follow button to learn more about 3D printing. Bye!